Rachel is here. My box is here. Okay, so here for the 15C, very nicely put away by Fei-Bao, and this is what you call a heavy duty car box. So that's an awesome job on Fei-Bao. Very well secured canopy, then the tailpipe, tail cone, and they give you an extra canopy. Alright, so far everything is looking beautifully and very well put away. There's the fuselage. So here we can see now the airplane, the fuselage back area. A lot of scale goodies in it. Very solid, heavy duty. A bag full of all the parts, servo trays. Okay, so this is all the bottom. I'm very impressed. I mean, they did a really nice job with the detail. Who really takes the time to do a lot of airplanes in the detail bottom? Very few of us, especially in our company. So this is good on Fei-Bao. Doors, I mean, they did a really clean job. Very, very nice. This is a show plane in real life, so that's why it's high gloss. There's the doors here. Here's painted in white. It's looking really nice. There's a really nice, very decent scale type in the back. Exhaust, I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the wing. Tell you, very impressed on the paint job that Fei-Bao has done. You see the Fei-Bao navigation lights. Very, very light. I've been impressed with the weight so far. So far, let a peek how it's looking. Oops.